Hey guys, JC here, CarLogic Group, the home of the Guaranteed Credit Approval and First Time Buyers Program. And today we've got for you a 2015 Nissan Sentra SV. It's a four-door sedan with a 1.8 liter four-cylinder that has 130 horsepower. Really good looking vehicle. Fog lights, aluminum alloy wheels. You've got 17-inch wheels, four-wheel anti-lock brakes, traction control. Really nice vehicle. You get 29 miles per gallon in the city, 39 on the interstate. Regular gas. Tinted windows, rear spoiler in the back, alloy wheels, alarm system, backup camera. Look at those wheels. By the way, tires are brand spanking new. Brakes up front, brand spanking new, folks. Alarm system, vehicle anti-theft system. You also have an auto off headlights, keyless entry, push button start. And you also got heated front seats. Now they rate this vehicle cost of ownership at a 9.2 out of 10. Look at that spoiler, awesome. 9.2 out of 10. Also safety, 9.3 out of 10. Very safe vehicle. Cost of ownership's real low, and the thing that keeps you safe, real high. Now you've got crumple zone front and rear. You've got side impact door beams, breakaway motor mounts. Vehicle is designed really well. Hey folks, let's take a look inside. Power windows, auto window down for driver's side. Everything is easy to get to. Push the button, open your trunk. You've got an eco mode and you've got a sport mode. And if you want to turn off your traction control, that's the button right there. And this right there is for your gas and to open up the trunk. Easy access. Now you've got everything right there on your steering wheel. There's your hands-free calling right there. Volume up and down, sources. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Cruise control. Everything you need is right there at your fingertips. Automatic. Heated seats. Backup camera. You have seating for 5, 3 seat belts in the back. You've also got your cup holders back there. Plenty of room, folks. Hey, give me a call, 615-281-9425. Or you can always hit us up on the web, carlogicgroup.com. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Everybody stay safe and be well. JC CarLogic Group. Bye for now.